Hey everyone, my name is AwfulGD. I am back again with another unboxing video. This time we have the MSI Mag B460I Gaming Edge Wi-Fi Intel motherboard. This is a 10th gen Intel ITX motherboard, specifically mini ITX. This is going into my next build, along with the Asia Horse sleeved cables. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. So right up on top is the motherboard. We'll set that off to the side actually, and we'll go through the rest of the package contents. So because it's an ITX motherboard, it has Wi-Fi. So here is the Wi-Fi antenna. That's just two standard antennas. We have the MSI case badge to put on the case. We have two SATA cables, one of them being a right angle, the other one is a straight. We got some M.2 hardware. We have the installation manual, the user guide, whatever you want to call it. I'm probably gonna have to read through this one because I've never dealt with mini ITX before. So MSI, whatever these things are. Let's see. Thank you for purchasing a MSI product. So this is my product registration thing. We have a quick installation guide for the processor and the cooler, it seems. And last thing in the box is this cable. I have no idea what this cable is. It's got like a 3-pin ARGB on one end, but on the other it looks like a 3-pin or a 3-pin fan connector. And so yeah, I have no idea what that's for. I don't know if I need it for mini ITX. But let's get to the actual motherboard itself. Here it is. The MSI Mag B460I. It has M.2 armor, shield frozer, they call it. It has an integrated I/O shield. There's the Wi-Fi antenna spots. And because it's mini ITX, it only has one expansion slot. It's a steel reinforced 16X slot. Got the CMOS battery hooked up there. 8-pin EPS up here, 24-pin ATX. There's 4 SATA connectors. 2 of them look like they're in pretty tough to reach spots, considering the DIMM slots are right here. And well, because it's mini ITX, there's only 2 DIMMs, and they open on one side each. Let's see, what else do we got? If I can come in close and get a good angle. We have USB-C front panel, so that's cool. My X570 board didn't even have front USB-C on it. There's the USB 3.0. What else do we got? There's a 3-pin ARGB. If we come across, there's looks like 3 fan headers, CPU fan, pump, and system fan. 4-pin non-addressable RGB. And on the back, there is also another M.2 slot. So I could have two NVMe drives installed if I wanted to on this board. This is going to be a fun little project. My first ever ITX board. I was very, very surprised with how small it is. Like, hand for comparison, it's like palm sized. Yeah, the front panel is somewhere on here. There's USB right there. I think that's front panel right there. I could be wrong. I'm definitely gonna have to look through that user guide / manual, like I said, because I don't know what exactly is going on. And this is LGA 1200 because, like I said, this is 10th gen Intel. I got this for $114. It was like 114 or 124. It was something in those whereabouts. But yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.